Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm Muhammad, and inshallah in this video we will continue what we did about the Arabic letters and how we read them. The last time we stopped at dal and val. There were two similar letters, and now we will start with the next and the next one, that is we call ra. What we call? We call it ra. Again, it's raw, raw, yes. And what it looks like? It looks like we can say it's like a crescent, the shape of moon when it's crescent, or also it's like a banana. But the main difference between dal that we did last time and this one is right that ra goes down to the line. This is important thing that we will talk about inshallah. This is raw. What is it? Raw. Yes, perfect. This is raw letter and goes down to the line. And as we usually have similars, we have for raw also, and it's zay. Zay. What we call? It's zay. It's the similar of raw with a dot up. A banana or a crescent, and it has a dot up. That's it. Okay. Now with the two letters, they are raw, zay, raw, zay. That's good. And let's go to the next, which are the first one of those two sisters is seen. What we call seen. And we always say that seen have three teeth, as you see here. The head of seen have three teeth. Okay. And the head of seen is the part that is above the line, as we usually say, and the rest of the letter that goes down to the line is the body or the tail, as you can name it. Okay, the letter is seen. That's right. And the sister of seen, we call it sheen. Yes, and the difference, as you see, is the three dots above seen. The three dots above seen. Now, this is seen, and this is sheen. Seen, sheen. Try to practice while we are doing the names to memorize them well and to be able to pronounce, inshallah. Seen, sheen. Those are the two sisters. And the last two letters, they are sod, what we call sod. And if you notice that sod and sin are close in the sound, and this is what we will learn inshallah in the future or the next classes, that we have similars in shape and also we have similars in sound. But now the main difference between sin and sod, that sod is one of the heavy letters and we call it saw, and sin was one of the light, it's seen, sod and seen. Now let's do this one, and it's sod, sod. And as we usually do, the head of sod is the part above the line and the rest that goes down. Sod. And if you guess, bod is its sister and the difference is about the dot. What is it? It's bod. Again, bod, bod, and it's also one of the heavy letters that we will talk about inshallah in the next classes. This one is bod. Now we did two similars, which are sod with no dots and bod, its sister with a single dot up. That's good. Those are the letters for today. Let's give a quick review. Here we have raw. Good. Zay. Perfect. Raw. Zay. And here we have seen. Yes, that's right. And it's head of seen. The head of seen. That is the part above the line. And this one is sheen. Good job. Sheen. Yes, and its head too. This one is sod. Sod, and its head. And the last one is Bod, Bod, and Bod head too. Those are the letters that we did today, 6 new letters, and I hope that you get it. Here we have our quick quiz. I'll point to the letter and you mention its name to know if you memorized them well. The first one is Seen. That's right. Zay. Perfect. And this is Sheen. Good job. Bod. Yes, that's right. Sod. Perfect. Ra. And those are the letters that we did today. I hope that you get it. And inshallah, see you in the next videos. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.